Hi guys, this is John from WaltonsInc.com and this is Meatgistics. Like a lot of people this time of the year, I've got a pre-cured and smoked ham that I had to figure out something to do with. Now it's already cooked, so you can just slice it and serve it at a holiday meal, but that is kind of boring. It also comes with a glaze, but that's not the glaze I wanted to use. What we've done here is smoked our ham for 3 hours at 220 degrees. For that first hour, we added no humidity and no smoke. Then we went ahead and introduced humidity and we smoked it with apple chips. At the same time, during that, going into its second hour, we created our own glaze out of the Terrapin Ridge Farms apple maple bacon jam and an entire stick of butter. We just put it in a little sauce pot and went ahead and stirred it up until the butter was completely melted. Now, before we got going with that, we did rub the outside with Smokehouse Barbecue. Now ours was wet enough on the outside that our seasoning stuck to it no problem. But if yours is dry, you can rub some mustard on. The mustard will cook off and it's not gonna leave any taste and your seasoning will be where it's supposed to be. So after that first hour, we pulled it out of our smoker, went ahead and put the glaze on it, and we used a mop just to make sure all areas were coated. Then we put it back in for another hour. Then we took it out, reglazed it again, and did that one more time with like 15 minutes left, took it out, and then when it was done, we went ahead and just poured the rest of it over it. It looks amazing. I don't know if it comes across as that. It smells incredible. I cannot wait to eat this. So I'm gonna slice into a little bit. Now, as you can see, I went ahead and scored this before I started any of the smoking or cooking. That just lets everything penetrate a little bit easier. That is amazing. I present to you the perfect glazed ham. As always, remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and visit WaltonsInc.com and Meatgistics.com to find everything but the meat. Thanks for watching. I'm John with WaltonsInc.com, and have a happy Thanksgiving. Subscribe to Walton's YouTube channel to watch more amazing videos, or shop at WaltonsInc.com to find everything but the meat. Check out our latest sales and giveaway video here, or watch another hand-picked video by clicking here.